Yeah, just a quick video and a quick repair. An Apple Mighty Mouse, quite an old one, but it keeps going off, and I think I've just figured out why, so I thought I'll share it with you. One of them. Generally, to turn them on, you slide that up, light comes on, but mine keeps going off. It's flashing at the minute because it's looking for something, but keep losing connection, so I found out why. So I'm doing this one handy. To get the batteries, you pull that back and it lifts the flap up. Oh, I'm just put the camera on a tripod. Right. You flip that back. So you get the batteries. Put the mouse away. Before I put the mouse away, to turn it on, you press that down, that switch. And what I noticed was, over the years, this bit, this little bit of plastic here, when you slide that up, there you go. Slide that up, it just pushes that little flap, and that has got flattened over the year. So my quick fix is very simply a little knife under there, give that a little bend, so now it's sitting more proud. And that's now going to push down on that switch more. Now I might have bent it too much so the mouse would be on all the time, but no. And give that a whirl. So voila. There you go. How do you do a thumbs up from here? There we go. Done. Quick Mighty Mouse repair.